Let's discuss some practical applications of transformer-based large language models. What are they actually good for?
Well, focusing on text, they can be used to answer questions. That has been the first application. But they can also do translations, rewrite text, for example, in the style of an author, or in a way that is simpler than the input text, and so on. So there is a wide range of instructions that can be executed. And the new research on so-called prompt engineering lists, for example, classification tasks such as zero or few-shot prompting, which are examples of the classes that are to be learned, problem-solving tasks such as chain of thought prompting or consistency checks, and so-called generate knowledge prompting when answering complex questions, just to name a few.
I mean, at these we support organizations across the board with bespoke software solutions, driving digital transformation. We specifically support financial services firms, even more specifically, wealth and asset managers. What are use cases specifically in asset and wealth management that would benefit from large language models, generative AI, and also other disciplines of AI?
Yeah, I'm not an expert on financial issues, but so I can only conjecture. But I suppose that summarizing or translation or translating available information from the internet or a company's own data surely will be an application that can be performed more efficiently. Yeah. Um, from contacts, I've learned that people in banks always search for particular documents or specific information, even in their own archives. And I think this can be definitely improved using this technology. In general, AI is capable of classifying text in a predefined way, identifying entities like persons, companies, places, detecting networks of entities and the like. So identifying interesting use cases in the financial domain probably would have to take a close look at the business processes that are being followed in a company, and then identify tasks like searching, summarizing, classifying, assessing, etc. And I think this can be expected to performed more efficiently or more exhaustively using AI.
So, to put it simply, access very large amounts of data in a structured way at your fingertip. That could be the summary. How about challenges or risk?
Well, in particular for this new generative AI models, yeah, they have been trained on large amounts of textual data that have been crawled from the internet. Yeah, so these so-called foundational models comprise all kinds of textual contributions without checking consistency, validity of argument or veracity. And so there always is the danger that the answers are inconsistent or simply false. Um, Moreover, the foundational models today cover topics only in a very general way. So without deeper domain knowledge, which in many cases are important to a company. Yeah, they also lack up-to-date information on what's happening in a domain right now. So, for example, if you want to assess risks on certain investments and you need up-to-date information stemming from today on what's happening in a certain region or in a certain country, then these general models are not really very useful.
Very important not to forget that.